Hello and welcome back to our channel where we help you transform your outdoor spaces and to beautiful oases. Today we are going to show you how to improve the outdoor area of your home in just 60 minutes with the help of 5 flowering creepers. Whether you have a small balcony or a large garden, these creepers are an easy and affordable way to add some color and life to your outdoor space. Here are the 5 flowering creepers that we recommended. Bougainvillea. This creeper is known for its bright and vibrant colors and is easy to grow and maintain. Morning Glory. This creeper is fast growing and produces beautiful trunk-shaped flowers that bloom in the morning and close at night. Honeysuckle. This creeper produces fragrant and attractive flowers that attract hummingbirds and butterflies to your outdoor space. Ivy. Ivy as creeper is a great option for those who want to add some greenery to their outdoor area. It is also great for hiding unsightly walls for fences. Trumpet car creeper. This creeper produces beautiful trumpet shade flowers in a variety of colors and is a great option for creating a natural privacy screen. To get started, you will need some basic tools like a shovel, pruning shears, and a trellis for support structure. Step 1. Choose a location with good sunlight and well draining soil. Step 2. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of your creeper. Step 3. Place the creeper in the hole and fill it with soil, making sure to pick it down firmly. Step 4. Water the creeper well and add a layer of mulch to help retain moisture. Step 5. Train the creeper to grow up the trellis or support structure using ties or twist ties. Step 6. Prune the creeper regularly to encourage growth and maintain its shape. And that's it in just 60 minutes. You have transformed your outdoor space with the help of these beautiful flowering creepers. Consider the climate and growing conditions in your area. Some creepers may not be suitable for your area, so make sure to choose one that will thrive in your specific climate. Think about the size and shape of your outdoor area. Some creepers can grow quite large, so make sure to choose one that will fit the size of your outdoor space. Don't forget about maintenance. Regular pruning and watering will keep your creepers healthy and blooming beautifully. Get creative with your trellis or support structure. You can add a pop of color of pattern to your outdoor space by choosing a trellis